One more minute, Nadja. Hey?
You're late.
You're early.
No. You said 30 minutes, so I'm just on time. Wait. Are you insinuating that I'm eager to see you?
No. Ang totoo, I like that. Babaeng on time. Hindi ako pinag-aantay.
Eh, then, mabuti pala na I'm on time. That means we'll get right along.
Traffic naman. Sana pala nag-coastal na lang tayo.
Rush hour ho, ma'am. Kaya pati dito parang matraffic.
Naku,
Ma'am?
naiwan ko yung cellphone ko sa bahay.
Gusto niyo bumalik tayo, ma'am?
Hindi na, lalo lang tayo madidelay.
Ito yung cellphone ko. Gusto niyo gamitin.
Sige, salamat ho.
Sige po.
Hello? Chabining. Pakisabi kay Gabriel, hantayin niya ako. Papunta na ako dyan. Okay. Bye.
Ba't ka nagpalit ng car? Don't tell me mag-off-road tayo. Kailangan ko bumalik agad, ha?
Yeah.
Saan ba tayo magsiswimming?
Relax. We'll be there no time. Tulog ka kaya muna?
No. I'm not tired. I don't sleep with strangers in the car.